Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the video is going to be about how to make these beautiful dangle stone earrings. And I have given all the details in the clippings in the video, and if you have any doubt regarding the things I have used or anything, please check everything in the description box. I will provide everything if I haven't forgot or anything like that. So without any further delay, let's get started. So that is all for today guys. I hope you like this video, and please share your valuable comments in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. See you again in my next video. Be positive and be safe from coronavirus. Be safe and be positive. That's it.